Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We're going to talk about Agego for this one, a 2025 review. Well, the idea behind this website or Agego is simple. Instead of handing over sensitive documents directly to random websites, you verify once through Agego, and then use that verification across the board platforms. This is meant to keep your data safer while still meeting the strict age check requirements. So, what have been the pros and cons for this one? Well, on the positive side, the process is straightforward. And for users who don't want to constantly upload IDs everywhere, it can save time. It also marketed as secure, and this is going to be an encrypted handling for personal information as well. However, the downside is that it's going to be trust. Since it's a third party site, you have to be confident that they're handling your data responsibly. Some users may also find the verification process is a bit strict and unnecessary if they don't fully trust the platform. So, my conclusion and verdict for this one: is it going to be a scam or legit? Well, based on what's out there, it does function as a real verification service, so not a scam. But whether it's right for you depends on how comfortable you are on sharing your personal information for a third party site. If security and convenience matter to you, it's worth considering. Just do your due diligence first. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.